Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing the file and app. Pick a short MP4 that matches your screen resolution so playback is smooth and battery use is reasonable. Once you have the file, install a reputable video wallpaper app and grant it storage and display permissions. This lets the app read your video and set it as wallpaper. While installing, make sure battery optimization is off for that app so Android does not stop background playback. This prevents stutters and dropped frames. You now import and configure. In the app, tap Add or Import and pick your MP4, then trim any awkward lead-in so the loop feels seamless. Once done, set loop options and playback behavior, loop for continuous motion, single play for subtle effect, and adjust brightness or scaling so icons remain visible. Make sure you select whether the video applies to home, lock, or both screens. Finally, preview the result inside the app so you can tweak crop or playback before committing. You finish by applying and optimizing. Tap Apply or Set Wallpaper and confirm, then check home and lock screens for smooth playback. If performance is sluggish, reduce video resolution or bitrate and disable aggressive battery saver for the wallpaper app to ensure steady frame rates. Once done, make sure live wallpapers aren't allowed to run unlimited in background if you want battery savings. If things go wrong, app freezes or black screens, clear the app cache. Restart your phone, then re-import a lower bitrate file and apply again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.